Finally, the mark has come back to the griddle. If you can smell what the marquee is cooking. Today, he's cooking some country-style pork ribs. Yum. We got some seasonings and sauces we're going to try. We got a griddle heating up. We got some beautiful skies for a change. It's been horribly windy. Let's get started. Now I know the sun's kind of in your eyes, and I'm sorry about that, but I could turn it this way, and then you miss the view, and the view is half the fun, right? Let's enjoy the view. So, we got a griddle warming up. It's at medium low. We got some Earl. Throw that on. These have been in the freezer for a while. They still smell good to me. How about you? Smell? Okay. Ta-da! And let's go ahead and throw some. This is some of my homemade granulated sea salt, granulated black pepper, granulated or coarse ground sea salt, coarse ground pepper, granulated garlic. There's some paprika, there's some Mrs. Dash, and who knows what else is in there. And we're going to see how Kinder's Buttery Steakhouse rub. It was incredible on a steak recently. And I got a suspicion it might be great with the pork. Of course, my lovely assistant was the one that insisted I try, and I trust her. She's got good taste. She's with me, isn't she? Shut up. Okay. I've discovered doming your meats on the griddle. It helps it cook faster, retains moisture, plus you can add some steam action. And the meat really likes that steam action. So we're gonna cook this for a while, and you take a break, and we'll call you back when something's happening. Okay, y'all. It's only been a couple minutes, but let's take a peek, shall we? Look at that. Look how much it's cooked just in that short of a time. Ain't it amazing? These things are... Oh, look at that sear. Maybe you can't see it with the sun, but it's a pretty sear. Take my word for it. So pretty. We got this back. Season this side with all the same. That's our co-host, Baja the Wonder Dog, giving her opinion on how pork should be cooked. Can't always trust her, though. She always wants to add bacon. One thing we're doing a little different is we got some liquid smoke. This is hickory. Hickory. Uh-oh. That is, it only needs a dash, and I'm pouring it on. Maybe if I pour it into the lid, I may have ruined it. That one's going to be really, really smoky for those two pieces. Don't tell. We don't tell, nobody will notice, right? Right. So we're going to let them go. We're going to add some taters soon. Scrape off this yucky. bits here from, that was the pork, or the pork juice. And I laid it down into the thing. Okay. Back on the griddle. More steam. And we're good to go for a bit. And we'll see you right after this commercial message. Okay, y'all, we're getting close. We're getting close. Let's pull this off. Check that out. Can you see the sear? Look at that sear. What I've been doing is turning them around, flipping them over, turning them, and look how yummy. And we're almost there. Let's add a little bit of this just to give it a little bit more flavor. Flavor. You know I had to say that. I always say that. You're probably tired of me saying that. I'm not going to overdo it with this stuff. I just want to put it on, let it bake in from this side at least. That's a good one. What else do we have? We got taters. My lovely assistant has sliced and microwaved some taters. They're looking all pretty. And let's them. Actually, should probably use a little Earl, huh? Veggie oil, the all-purpose flour of griddling oil. Slide you over. We can spread these out. Because we want them all to cook, not just half. Yes, normally I use my spatula, but not always. This is handy. It's here. It's in my hand. We'll oil these up a little more. We'll water this up a little more. The taters need some flavor. So the salt, pepper, garlic, paprika, Mrs. Dash blend. There's other stuff too, I just can't remember because I make it a little different each time. Whatever strikes my fancy. Actually, I think last time I mixed them up, I may have added a little bit of, what did I add? A little Italian seasoning maybe? Because I couldn't find the oregano. And this is chili lime seasoning. From Trader Joe's. I love Trader Joe's stuff. In fact, whoa, I just got something brand new from them today. Some Georgian seasoning that I really want to try. So I'll probably put that on a couple of the taters just to see that Baja's rolled 2 balls under now. And while y'all were distracted, my lovely assistant, when she brought the taters out, was pointing to the temperature chart on the pork and said, well done, well done. Because, you know, we can't see chest temperature, heavens no. That would be too something. Chest temperature is 135 to 145. That one is tender. These are all around 150, 145, 150. I think 165 is where she'd like hers. So we may cook like at least one piece too long. Keep her happy. Always got to keep the customers happy. Right, Baja? So, it's yeah, just a little more sauce. That may be herpy. Just give it a little extra. And like the liquid smoke, that may be too much, or it may be just right. We'll see. We can turn this down to, actually we could turn this off. Let it cook. This side's on. Uh-oh. Don't go breaking my heart. Couldn't if I tried. Nobody knows. Nobody knows. Sorry, where were we? Cooking taters? Let's get these crispier bits off to the side a little. Oh, look at that. I know some of y'all would do this and with your eyes closed and your one arm behind your back, but I ain't as coordinated as some of you. But this is why we griddle. That sear, the char. Let's get these pieces in the middle. That's what we love. Right, Baja? Those will need a little extra time. What time is it? Oh, Leo. Okay. Let's let this cook a minute. I'm going to go hunt up that new Georgia seasoning, and we'll be right back. Can you see it? A Ajika Georgian seasoning blend. Spicy, garlicky, and deeply aromatic and savory. It's got crushed chili peppers, coriander, something called fenugreek, dried minced garlic, salt, and marigold. Doesn't that sound just interesting? Speaking of interesting, check out those pork pieces. Yum! Here. Let's got a nice brown bottom like she likes. Ooh, that's hot. Just look at that, y'all. Is that yum or is that yum? Huh? We'll keep on keeping on straight. Woo! That left a coat on the griddle. Look at that. That's the sauce, I'm sure. Surely you're not serious. Yes, I'm serious, and don't call me Shirley. Best movie ever made. Police Squad. Lieutenant Frank Drebin. If you don't agree with me, we can't be friends. Okay, we can still be friends. But, my opinion of you will change. Don't you hate seeing that all the time? If this, we can't be friends. If you do this, if you. So let's take maybe these 2 chunks, maybe those 3 chunks. Look at the crisp. Damn! We're gonna add this interesting Ajika. I couldn't resist. It's hard when every time they get something new, I just have to taste it. So the meat's gonna rest a few minutes, and I think these taters are mostly done, especially the thinner. Oh yeah. I could switch them and make, what could I make? Some smashed taters, but then it would be all messy and all that. So let's do a taste test and turn this off. This is the Azuka Georgian. Let's see if I burn my tongue. They have so many darn seasonings on there, it's hard to tell which is which. It's very salty. I think that's from my original blend. Yeah, it's hard to tell from just that little bit. But it didn't make it taste bad, so that's a good sign. All right, we're gonna wrap it up. Wrap it up. I'll take it. Wrap it up. I'll take it. Wrap, wrap, wrap. Looky there, looky there, looky there. Make your tongue slap your brains out. So, I'm hungry and I'm ready to eat. So, thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for liking. Thanks for following. And most of all, thank you for feeding my fragile ego. And we'll see you next time. Have a great day.